Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how can you copy, paste and select all using your laptop keyboard shortcut. It's pretty much easy and simple. Today I'll show you that. So first, if you want to select everything or select all on your laptop screen, you need to just press Ctrl and A. You need to press Ctrl and A. Then there you can see everything is selected. Now if you want to copy everything, just tap on Ctrl and C. There you can see Ctrl and C for copy. Ctrl and C. Ctrl and C. Now everything is copied. Now if you want to paste anywhere, like I want to paste here, just tap on. Just press Ctrl and V. Ctrl and V. I just pressed Ctrl and V for paste. There you can see. There you can see everything is paste here. There you can see everything is paste here. I just press Ctrl and V for paste. I will say you again. If you want to select all, just tap Ctrl and A for select all. And if you want to copy, just press Ctrl and C. Ctrl and C for copy. If you want to paste, just press Ctrl and V for paste. That's it. That's your shortcut for copy, paste and select all. I hope you can understand. Thank you everyone for watching this.